this is the unboxing from Amazon. Pretty much everyone else's videos. Well, I'd just like to explain what the stuff you get with it a bit more detailed. So yeah, I bought this 3 days ago. Oh, it came from Home Delivery Network, and it took 2 days. So I think Amazon are doing a pretty good job with their Home Delivery Network deliveries now. Or even that's not them. But as many people have said, they've not done very well, but it's my first package from them and it's come straight away, so pretty good, I think. Maybe I was just lucky. Oh. Okay, so there's the box. Oh, look out, cat's about. So, it looks like there's one thing missing. No, isn't this here? That's a bit small, but... Oh, the cat's come for a nose. She's got in the box. Fair enough. Okay, so we have here just a little... This isn't for you. Little pack. I was a bit disappointed it didn't come with a proper packet, but oh well. I suppose it's it's good enough. Just like when it comes from eBay, like this. So yeah, this is a SDHC card, 16 gigabytes, class 6. I'm going to be doing pretty much all my videos in 1080p, so put this in there for now, or maybe I won't, I'll just leave it. Let me just get this up. Oh, leaving it, sorry, it's taking too long. Okay, so let's get on to the main stuff. Anything really important? No. There you go, you can have that cat if you want it. So here is here's the memory card. That's £28, and the camera was £119.50, so pretty good, I reckon. Okay, so there we have. Really nosy, that cat, isn't it? That's getting there. Okay. My lunch. Okay. So let's get on with it, because I'm sure you're not bothered about the cat. My viewers. Right. So, well, the first thing you'll see is the camera, but I'll put it out of the way for the minute because I'm going to go through the box stuff first. Okay, so just and on the side it says black, even though on the top it's actually shows it in raspberry. Okay, so we have this is a USB mains adapter, which also has British plug. So if I can do this correctly, it slides in, and then you put your USB in there, which is here. So yeah, USB, and then that goes into the side of the camera, and then you can charge iPod and stuff as well with it, which is quite handy. So mains a charger, USB lead, of a composite cable, audio cable, goes into the sides. Oh, US mains adapter, so if you go on holiday it's going to be quite handy. The battery. A lanyard thing, leather, feels horrible, won't use that. And kudos to Kodak, let's open this one. Hang on. This is HDMI to mini HDMI, which is impressive, if you ask me. Manual, won't read that. And the main piece itself. So here you go, let's take this out. Okay, so there's a Kodak. It's a 2.5. No, I think it's like no, it's 2.5 inch screen. It does 1080p or 720 at 60 frames per second or 30 seconds for standard. The lens there, it doesn't have a lens cover, but we should be right. Here's your macro switch on the top for close up. You have SD card slot, USB, which you pull down here, you push like that and then it releases. Flexible, which is quite handy. Plug that in. Tripod mounts. There's your power connector, the HDMI, and also the audio out. And then you have an external microphone input, which is great. So let's put the battery in, and hopefully it have a bit of juice in, so we can just do have a quick look at it. Oh, it's not going on. Let's get these covers off, but over back on. Right, there you go. Okay, the power button's on the top here. So there's any power in it? Yeah, there is. Okay, so 2010. Now I'm going to guess this is American set, so yeah, it is. So it's the 3rd, and the I don't know what is the date. Sorry. 12th. Let's get this right. It's just a standard clock. Yeah, it is. Okay. 3:53. Oh, that'll do. Okay, so we have your modes. You can see this very well. We're on WBGA at the minute. 720p. 720p at 60 frames per second, and then 1080p, which we're going now. So I can't really demo it looking for a camera on another camera, but the settings there. So I'll have a little play around, and then every video that comes up next, there'll be a lot more now, people, because it's easy for me to upload. So every video will be HD. So I'm looking forward to this, and get ready for the future of high definition. Okay, cheers guys, see you later.